In this section, we will create a simple model without any details, and then we will apply finite element analysis to make sure that we selected the right sections. If it's okay, after that we will go to the fully detailed design. In the future, you may need to modify some dimensions, like the height or the width or the angle, for example. That's why we need to define some global variables, and then we can change them easily when we need to modify the design. To define some variables, you need to have equations here. If you don't have it, just right-click anywhere here, and then select Hide Show Tree Items. Here, you will find equations. Make sure to have it Show, then hit OK. Now, for the system of units, I will use mmgs, millimeter gram second. If you have equations here, just right-click and select Manage Equations. I will set some global variables here, so just click here and let's start with the height. Once you write height, then click in this field, and let's say I want the height to be 4,845 millimeters, and you can go down and select millimeter from here, and you have this symbol, then click here again, and you will have another field. Another value I want to define is the length, so I'll write length, and here I want this to be 6,000 millimeters. You can simply hit enter and it will be defined. If you don't have the millimeter listed here, so once again click here, and another click you will have units, go down to millimeter, and now it's listed. Let's define an angle. Click here, and I want this to be 5 degrees, so go down to units and select degrees. Finally, I want to define a column to column distance, so I will call this C to C distance, and I want this to be 5,000 millimeters. Click here. Once you have these defined, hit OK. And now, if you open this menu, you will find the height, the length, the angle, and column to column distance. Whenever you need to make some modifications to your model, you can simply click here and just modify these.